Learners, welcome to the NIOS studio. In senior secondary course, today we will be discussing the biology paper, lesson 14, respiration and elimination of nitrogenous wastes. In the first section, we will explore excretion concept as a concept and excretory system of cockroach. I am Dr. P.V. Arya, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Dayal Singh College. The objectives of current sessions are: we will explore the concept of excretion and its importance. We will try to understand the terms aminotelism, ureotelism and uricotelism, and to study the organs of excretion in cockroach. All animals possess some mechanism of getting rid of the waste substances produced in their body during metabolic activities. These include carbon dioxide, water, urea, uric acid and ammonia. They can be harmful if retained in the body. Besides metabolic waste, excess salt, example sodium chloride, that is taken in the food, water and even excess of some vitamins need to be eliminated. Certain medicines that are basically antibiotics too are removed from the blood in the urine. The removal of all harmful unwanted products, especially nitrogenous waste from the body, is called as excretion. The excretory system is primarily associated with the removal of nitrogenous wastes. Urea is the main nitrogenous waste in our body, formed by the breakdown of surplus amino acids and nucleic acid in the liver. Blood transports urea to the kidneys for filtration and removal in the form of urine. On the basis of modes of removal of nitrogen waste, animals are divided into basically three broad categories. They are called as aminotelic, uricotelic and ureotelic. These are further explained on the basis of the product formed and the product's solubility in water and the main examples in the form of a table. Like for example, aminotelic, they produces ammonia, which is highly toxic, and this is highly soluble, therefore needs plenty of water for its excretion. The main examples of the animals coming under the category of aminotelic are freshwater aquatic animals, that is bony fishes, amoeba, etc. In case of ureotelic, they have urea as a product and it is relatively less toxic, but it is also less soluble, thus needs less water for excretion. Mammals are the example among the mammals are humans, dog, etc. In marine fishes and amphibians, for amphibians the examples are frog and toad. The uricotelic, in case of uricotelic animals, they produces uric acid, which is the least toxic substance, and it is insoluble solids or semi-solid form, need very little water just to flush out the uric acid. It is found in case of birds, reptiles and insects. Why excretion is so important? Because excretion is necessary for the elimination of nitrogenous waste formed during metabolism of protein, basically amino acids and nucleic acids. The elimination of excess salts like sodium chloride, vitamins, bile pigments from the breakdown of old RBCs and certain medicines and drugs, and removal of excess of water or its retention in case of shortage of water. This is to maintain the required quantity of water, that is osmoregulation in the body. The excretory organs of starting with a common organism which we found around a surrounding, that is cockroach, will be the great to study starting with the excretion system. In case of cockroach, they are adapted for terrestrial mode of life and possess excretory organs called as Malpighian tubules. They excrete uric acid, almost insoluble in water. The excretory organs of cockroach includes Malpighian tubules, which are long, blind-ended tubules attached to the alimentary canal at the junction on mid and hindgut. They lie in the abdomen and are bathed in hemolymph, blood of insects. The cells of tubules remove nitrogenous waste and certain salts from the hemolymph and then pump them into the lumen of the tubule. The fluid passes to the hindgut and in the process gets concentrated. This concentrated fluid then moves into the rectum and is excreted as concentrated urine along with feces. Most of the salts and water is pumped back into the hemolymph by Malpighian tubules, and in this way the nitrogen waste are eliminated as almost dry matter. Well, so far we have explored the metabolic activities produces a large number of waste products that need removal from the body. Excretion is the removal of nitrogen waste from the body. Depending upon the kind of excretory product, animals may be classified as aminotylic, ureotylic and uricotylic. Malpighian tubules in cockroach remove uric acid from the body cavity into the digestive tract for the subsequent removal. Thanks.